Red alert! The stock market is on code red as we roll into 2025. AI bubble fears, stagflation threats, and $34 trillion in U.S. debt are sparking the biggest investor panic since 2008. But here's the truth. You can survive this and even get richer if you act now. In this video, I'll reveal the 10 crash-proof hacks the elites use to hedge against chaos, buy the dip, and turn a market meltdown into generational wealth. This is not financial advice. This is financial warfare. Let's go. Part 1. 2025's 5 biggest market risks and why they're worse than you think. First, let's cut through the BS headlines. These are the deadly risks that could nuke your portfolio in 2025 and how to outsmart them. 1. The everything bubble is about to burst. Stocks, crypto, real estate, you name it, it's overpriced. The S&P 500's PE ratio is 30% above historical averages. Remember 2008? Cheap debt and FOMO created a false bull market. Now, with 7% mortgage rates and credit card defaults spiking, the buy everything era is over. Second, AI hype versus reality. Nvidia's up 200% in a year, but 70% of AI startups have zero revenue. Sound familiar? .com crash. When the AI reckoning hits, hyper-growth tech stocks could drop 50 to 80% overnight. Don't be the bag holder. Third, stagflation nightmare. Inflation's sticky, growth's slowing, and the Fed's trapped. We're reliving the 1970s stagflation playbook. Translation: your cash buys less. While stocks and bonds both tank, gold and real assets are your only escape. 4. Debt dominoes are falling. U.S. debt hit $34 trillion. That's $100,000 per citizen. Japan's yen is collapsing, China's property market is imploding. This isn't just a U.S. problem. A global debt crisis could trigger Black Swan events no one's prepared for. 5th, election year chaos. 2025 follows the biggest election year in history: US, EU, India. Political drama equals market volatility. Tax hikes, tariffs, and TikTok bans could crush your stocks. Stay nimble. Scared? Good. Fear keeps you sharp. Now let's turn that fear into unshakable strategy. Part 2, 10 actionable hacks to bulletproof your portfolio, step by step. Hack number 1, the diversity trifecta. Diversify like you're fighting Thanos. Allocate your cash into 3 buckets. Bucket 1, war zone wins. Defense stocks, cybersecurity ETFs like HACK. Bucket 2, recession-proof cash flow, dividend kings, KOPGJNJ. Bucket 3, crash insurance, gold, GLD, Bitcoin, spot ETFs, and farmland REITs, FPI. Pro tip, use M1 Finance to auto-balance these buckets monthly. Hack number 2, short the zombie stocks. Companies like Peloton or Wayfair are burning cash, propped up by dumb money. Bet against them via puts or SARK, the anti-ARK ETF. Blood is coming. Hack number 3, yield shield strategy. Park 20% of your portfolio in treasury bills, 5.3% risk-free yield, and covered call ETFs like JEPI, 8% yield. Even if markets crash, you're getting paid to wait. Hack number 4, hyper-targeted dollar cost averaging. Don't just dump money into VOO, use AI tools like Magnify to auto-invest in sectors beating the Fed curve, e.g. energy, healthcare. Set, forget, and dominate. Hack number 5, the Buffett Emergency Fund. Warren Buffett keeps $168 billion in cash for crashes. Follow him. Save 6 months of expenses in a high-yield account, 5% APY. Keep a war chest, 5 to 10% of portfolio, to buy the dip on blue chips like AMZN when they crash 40%. Hack number 6, inverse ETF sniper. SQQQ 3x inverse NASDAQ and SPXU 3x inverse S&P 500 can 2x your money in weeks during a crash. But warning, these are gasoline on a fire, only for pros with stop losses. Hack number 7, tax loss harvesting frenzy. Crash equals free money. Sell losers to offset taxes, then reinvest in similar assets, e.g. swap SPY for VOO. Tools like TurboTax or CoinTracker automate this. Hack number 8. Geopolitical pivot. Shift 15% of your portfolio into emerging markets, India, Vietnam, and Swiss francs FXF if the dollar weakens. Ditch US-only tunnel vision. Hack number 9. AI crash alerts. Use AI tools like AlphaSense to track insider stock sales and Fed speech sentiment. Dump stocks when CEOs do. Hack number 10. Silent wealth vaults. Private credit, BLK, and Swiss annuities hide your money from bank collapses and hyperinflation. The 1%'s best-kept secret. Part 3. 2025 Survival Blueprint, What to Do Now. Time's up. Here's your 30-day crash prep checklist. Purge weak stocks. Anything minus 50% in 2024? Sell. Raise cash. Aim for 20% liquidity. Use Robinhood Gold for 5% yield. Buy physical gold. Costco sells gold bars now. Yes, really. Practice recession mode. Slash debt, cancel Netflix, cook at home. Follow the smart money. Track hedge funds via Dataroma. If you do nothing, you'll be a statistic. But if you execute this blueprint, you'll be a gladiator. Look, crashes create millionaires. Will you be the hunted or the hunter? Smash like if you're ready to conquer 2025. Subscribe for part 2. Exposed, 5 stocks to dump now, and hit the bell. It's free, unlike these market lessons. Stay paranoid, stay rich. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Investing involves risk, including potential loss of principal. Always conduct your own research or consult a professional before making investment decisions.